2025, let's dive into the latest update from Jaguar on their XE luxury sedan. They have streamlined the lineup to just one sporty model, the 300 Sport. But with this new version comes a higher price and some changes in features. The newest edition, the 300 Sport, slots into the mid-size XE range and is priced at $79,825 plus on-road costs. That's $3,955 more than the previous top model. The 2022 XE P300R Dynamic HSE, which was $75,870 plus on-road costs. The 300 Sport brings some exciting upgrades compared to the R Dynamic HSE. You get 20-inch alloy wheels, a black exterior pack with sleek black trim, a 17-speaker Meridian surround system, adaptive suspension, and customizable drive modes. However, there are a few features missing in the 300 Sport. The 12.0-inch digital instrument cluster is replaced by a 7.0-inch display with analog dials. Instead of matrix LED highlights, you now get standard premium LED highlights. The fancy perforated Windsor leather seats have been swapped for DuoLeather synthetic trim, and the power adjustable steering column is no longer standard. Under the hood, the 300 Sport sticks with the same 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine as before. It delivers 221 kW or 300 metric horsepower and 400 Nm of torque to all four wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Jaguar claims it can go from 0 to 100 km/h in just 5.9 seconds, reaching a top speed of 250 km/h and achieve a fuel economy of 6.9 liters per 100 km in mixed driving conditions. So, while the Jaguar XE 300 Sport adds some sporty features and a sleek black styling package, the higher price and adjusted feature set might have potential buyers weighing their options carefully. If you are into sporty luxury and don't mind the changes, this new XE could be a great fit.